What's going on, guys? John back here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be working on the bugeye WRX. Now, it does look a little rough, but instead of fixing it up and making it look good, I figured, you know what? Let's make it sound good because it sounds a little quiet for me. So we're going to go ahead and install one of my favorite catback exhausts on the bugeye WRX. Right now, it just has the Cobb turbo back exhaust. And let's show you guys what we got for the bugeye. Here it is, the big reveal. We got a Tomei exhaust, full titanium catback. We're gonna go ahead, slap it on the bugeye. Now, I have no doubt in my mind that this thing is gonna sound absolutely insane when we're done with it. I'll go ahead and plug in a sound clip of what it sounded like before the exhaust install. And then obviously afterwards, I'm gonna take advantage of this beautiful 40-degree day in January and install this thing. So let's get right to it. We are underneath the rusty, crusty bugeye. So as you guys know, we're gonna have to take off this and all the way over there, we're gonna have to grab those. But right now I have it on these little Rhino ramps. We're gonna try to make do with what we got. As you can see, this thing is rusty as all heck. This thing is just, that's rough. That's really rough. I'm gonna try and undo that and then see if I can get it all off in one piece. If not, no big deal, but we'll see what we can do. So I went ahead and PB blasted the heck out of this thing. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and just like that. Now I'm gonna need to get a 14 mil on the back of this thing. So after literally 2 bolts, and I believe there's 4 hangers, one down there, here, and here, and here, and we got the exhaust off. Super easy, and I do suggest ordering a new donut gasket because that's what is on this thing. Unfortunately, I did not order one, so yeah, kind of messed up on that. But it looks like this car was resprayed at some point because look at this, there's red paint on the muffler part. But if anybody wants this Cobb catback, let me know. Slide in my DMs at BRZJohn or comment on the video. It's gonna be for sale because I don't need it. Also kind of sketch, but I got it all okay up there, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw the Tomei on now. So while I have the exhaust off, I think it's only right that we do a downpipe start just to see what it sounds like. Is it gonna sound insane or what? Let's see. This is open downpipe. Holy Lord. Open downpipe. Oh my. Holy Lord. That sounds insane. Oh my gosh. All right, so yeah, we're not running open downpipe, but I had to do it for the one time to see how it sounds. The turbo whistle was absolutely insane. But let's get to actually installing the Tomei. Let's get it. An update for you. We got the mid-pipe section, I guess you could say, to the downpipe. This is a Cobb catted downpipe, by the way. So yeah, the donut gasket actually was in pretty good shape, so I'm gonna keep it in there. For a tip, I would say to put the hangers on first and then connect it because it was a lot easier like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the muffler portion on and we should be all set. So we got the Tomei muffler here. We can go ahead and now attach it to the mid-pipe section, which is right there, and we can hang it up on the hangers and whatnot. Then we can clamp it down with this clamp here and these springs, and it should be all good. All right, guys, so we got the exhaust installed on the bugeye WRX. So let's go ahead and give it a first start. Drop down in the comments how you think it's gonna sound. I'm pretty hyped. Oh, wow. All right. It sounds really good. Oh my God. It sounds insane. You could just hear the whistle coming out of it. Let's go ahead and give it some revs. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's insane, guys. Listen to this. Get a Tomei. Get a Tomei. Guys, I'm sold. I swear Tomei never disappoints. This is absolutely absurd. I can't believe this is real life, guys. Holy Lord. Let's check for leaks real quick, and we'll see how this thing is. We're gonna get my girlfriend's reaction on this thing, because it sounds absolutely insane. Here, hold it.
I need to fix my hair.
No, don't worry about that. Guys, the Tomei is absolutely insane. Go ahead, rev it for me a little bit. Go for a quick little drive. We're gonna see how it sounds driving. So side note, guys, I did ceramic coat this thing because I knew I was gonna run it in the winter. I want to try and keep it good for the spring and just, you know, longevity. All right, guys, so yeah, this is what it sounds like from inside. It sounds insane. Also, mind you, this is stock headers, stock up pipe. It just has the Cobb catted downpipe, although it is high flow. So, oh my God! Hey guys, what's up, y'all? Y'all like my exhaust? Tell me how it sounds. I guess I don't like it. Guys, I'm so shook right now, you have no idea. Neighbors that you know, care about sound, then I'd suggest to never get a Tomei, because this is just absolutely absurd. This thing sounds crazy, guys. I don't know what I gotta say. Get a Tomei.
You could still hear him. Still can hear him. Oh.
That's gonna do it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope you guys liked the Tomei, because I absolutely love it. I don't even know what to say. I have the loss of words right now. And yeah, if you don't have a Tomei, get a Tomei. Absolutely insane sounds. Yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Next video coming out soon. Peace. We're gonna see how it sounds with launch control. My first reaction. Holy. Guys, I think I just did the most diabolical thing ever. I just put a Tomei on the Bugeye WRX. Bro, this thing sounds insane. Y'all ready for this?